What is up, YouTube? Are you looking for a way to build beautiful funnels for capturing emails really fast? If so, stay with me. I have something really interesting to show you in my review of Boss Funnels. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Hammer. I am known as the man with the hat, and that's because I wear a fedora, well, pretty much everywhere that I go. I am one of the few people that can pull them successfully. Well, me and my buddy Neil over here. Now, if you are new to the channel, what I do here is two things. I read your software info products to make my online niche. By the way, if you're not new, feel free to skip ahead. I know that my jokes can be as stale as day-old muffins. But if you are new, like I said, I review software info products to make my online niche. And why would that be? Well, it's because I want to make sure that you don't end up buying a bunch of crap.
What a load of crappy crap.
Bye, boy.
Bart, really? My cat doesn't even agree with you. She's here saying, no. Bart comes here every day and complains. The cat doesn't even like it anymore. She comes by and says, "Oh, why is Bart complaining about this stuff?" Anyway, but seriously, I also do a lot of videos here, a lot of mindset and entrepreneurship.
He's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Thank you, Liz. See, I love this. She's a sweetheart. I really do like her. You know, she says the same thing every day also, but she's a sweetheart. Anyway, the way things work here. If I do like a product, I'll give a tip of my hat to the product creator. If I don't, well, better luck next time. If you are new here, go ahead and smash that subscribe button, hit the bell icon to be notified when I drop new videos, because frankly, well, subscribe doesn't mean anything on YouTube anymore. Go ahead and like this video, comment down below. Let's get right into this. Okay, welcome. We are on the sales page for Boss Funnels.
Your dad's a mob boss?
Not that kind of a boss. Seriously, not that kind of a boss. Anyway, but seriously. So they have a couple of examples of some people that they've allowed to test Boss Funnels, showing what they say are the results that these guys have gotten using the software. Now, I'm not going to deny that Boss Funnels looks pretty sweet. And I'm going to show you the members area in just a minute. I do want to talk about my bonuses, because the bonuses are really, really important, especially with this particular product. So first and foremost, the biggest issue you're probably going to have with Boss Funnels is going to be that you actually are going to need to drive traffic to your funnels. Without that, it doesn't matter what you do, nobody's going to sign up for your emails. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you 5 of my best courses on traffic generation, which nobody else is going to offer you. That's something that is unique to me. In addition to that, though, I'm also going to give you something really special. So Boss Funnels, I'm going to show you again the members area in just a moment. Boss Funnels, the way it's designed is it gives you ready-made funnels for capturing emails, which are great. The trouble that I have with it is that it does not give you a ready-made bonus page, which I think is super important. So I'm going to give you my bonus page that I've used myself in order to sell. And I've been doing quite well with it, actually. So I'm going to give it to you. It uses 100% free software. You don't need to pay for any hosting. You can just use WordPress.com to host it. It's 100% for free. So I'm going to give that to you as another bonus. And if you pick up any of the upgrades, I'm also going to give you your choice of any of my previous products. So you get your choice of Local Video Jackpot, Unstoppable, the Income Formula, Durable, White Collar PLR, 24-hour bucks, Graphic Supremacy. Any of those that you want, you can have. Just pick it. Send me a receipt, you'll be able to get it. So let's go ahead and take a quick look at the members area so I can show you what the software is like. It's a pretty nice software. And you can see when you log in, we're here in the dashboard of the software. And basically you have a bunch of different options here. So you can set up autoresponders. It does connect directly with GetResponse and Aweber, which are the 2 most popular autoresponder systems. Unfortunately, I don't use either of them. I happen to use something called Sendy. But that's nice to have because most people do use one of those two. And you can also create funnels. Now, here's the good news and bad news about the software. So let's go ahead and click Build a Funnel. Now, you can see here that basically what they have is only 3 options that I can see. So, well, they have more actually, I apologize. But the thing is that most of these options, or all these options that I can see really, they're primarily intended to be either opt-in pages or thank you pages, which are nice, don't get me wrong. Okay, so you have the opt-in and you have the thank you page. Okay, you have a bonus page, but the bonus page really is not much of a bonus page, not compared to my bonus page that I'm going to give you. Okay, I'm really not impressed with their bonus page personally. I think mine is a lot better, but there's a limited number of options here, which is why I'm giving my bonus page, which I think is better than the one you get from this. But I do like their opt-in page quite a bit. So let's go ahead and select this real quick. Click next. Okay, we're gonna put my name in here. Click submit. All right, and then what we can do is we can actually go to the pages of this particular funnel in the editor. All right, you can see here, it's a pretty simple thing to use. It comes with a little video here that you can customize. You'll have a place to put in email. Of course, once you link up your email, you'll be able to do that. And you do have the option to use these features. Now, again, these are nice, not quite as extensive as what you might find with, say, Elementor. Certainly not as extensive as, say, ClickFunnels, but it's a nicely done piece of software for the $17. It's got a lot of nice features, and for the price, it's a really, really nice price to pay for a pretty packed, feature packed product like this. So let's go ahead and see if I can give a tip my hat to the product creator or not.
The giant hat, sir.
Yes, indeed. Tip of my hat to you. It's a nice product. I like the software. I like the fact that you have some done for you funnels. I would like to see more. Okay, I would like to see more complicated funnels and linked pages, which are not included with this particular package. It's basically like single page funnels, which are very, very nice. Don't get me wrong. I think that's very impressive. And for $17, it's a bargain. Seriously, a bargain. Definitely worth grabbing it right now. Worth doing it 100%. I would have liked to see even more, but I understand for $17, you really are getting an amazing bargain for your $17. So yeah, go ahead and grab this. It's really worth picking up. You're going to love it.